In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate and log into eBay, ensuring you can start your shopping or selling journey with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or brand new to the platform, these simple steps will help you access your account efficiently. Now let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once that's ready, head over to eBay's official website at www.ebay.com. For those of you who might be new, eBay is a global e-commerce platform where you can buy and sell a myriad of items, ranging from the latest electronics to vintage collectibles. It's an exciting place to explore, shop, and even set up shop if you're inclined to sell. When the eBay homepage loads, cast your gaze to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. You're looking for a link that says Sign In or Register. Clicking this is your gateway to getting logged into your existing account or setting one up if you're a first-timer. It's prominently displayed, but in case you miss it, just look for the link near the eBay logo. Now, once you click that, you'll be presented with a prompt to input your email address. This is a straightforward step. Just type in the email associated with your eBay account. For those of you who might be creating a new account, you'll use this section to input a valid email address that you frequently check, since eBay will use it to send you important information about your account activity, purchases, and more. After entering your email, follow any additional prompts to fully log in. Typically, you'll need to enter your password and possibly perform an additional verification step, especially if you're logging in from a new device. This enhances the security of your account, ensuring that it remains safeguarded from unauthorized access. And just like that, you're successfully logged in. From here, you can explore eBay's multitude of listings, bid on auctions, manage your selling dashboard if you're a seller, or even adjust your account settings to personalize your shopping experience. Remember, whether you're buying or selling, eBay has tools and resources to help you every step of the way, from secure payment methods to extensive customer support. So there you have it, an effortless guide to accessing eBay. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make your online shopping and selling experience smoother and more enjoyable. Have a great day and happy shopping on eBay.